9 Lusumbashi. I got 9 aggregates. I started at Kaberamaido Primary School. And I started because I want to become a pilot. During prep times, people would go to their beds, but I would still remain in class. To become a pilot that time.
Why do you want to become a pilot?
Because that is my dream.
I'm called Olivia. This is my son. But what I did, I tried my best to make sure that my boy stays at school. I could always stay here selling my little things here, like onions. Sometimes they bring for me tomatoes, so I could maintain the little I have to make sure they are at school. So I pray for him to make it the best.
My name is Mark. I studied in Kaberamaido Primary School. Today my results were out and I got aggregates 9, that is division 1. I'm not that pleased with it because I didn't expect that. I was expecting aggregates 4. So I would like to first thank my teachers because they worked hard in teaching me. And I wish I would go to Mora High School because it's a better school. I want to be a doctor because see as if the medical facilities in this area of ours is not very good, so I want to help.